So guys, my wife got a call from Jamaica, and the individual that called her was asking if she can help her out with a problem. The person said, my son is getting ready to graduate from school and I need some help in paying the graduation fee, purchasing a pair of shoes, and also uniform. My wife sent the money to the individual. And guys, only to find out that the child didn't get to graduate, the pair of shoes wasn't purchased, and the uniform wasn't purchased. And the young man is so heartbroken because of what his mother did. Unbelievable. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. We're just gonna jump right into it because it's something that very upsetting. So the other day, my wife got a call from Jamaica. Somebody called her saying that they need help for their child for school. So the child was supposed to graduate, and the mother called my wife and said that she need help to pay the fee for the child's graduation, and also to purchase a pair of shoes, and also to buy a suit, a car kit, that's what they call it. So without hesitation, my wife said okay. She spoke to me about it. I said okay, no problem. Being that the mother called you and say that she need help, and it's for her child. The child is getting ready to graduate. I get it. So she sent the money. Sorry about that. So she sent the money, guys. And between then and the time for graduation, she and the mom was in conversation, talking, asking how the child is doing to school, which school the child is gonna go, and are they ready for the new chapter for the young man going to high school. And you know, the conversation was healthy, I guess. So everything was going fine, everything was going okay, till my wife got a call from another member of that same family and asked my wife, did you send money to the child's mom? So my wife said yes. So my wife asked them, what is the problem? They said the mom cannot be found and the child didn't get to graduate and so forth. So they want to know what's going on. So my wife spoke to the family member and let her know, say yes, the mother called me asking me for some help, and I did send the money to the mother, and the mother said she's gonna pay the fee for the child's graduation, buy the child a new pair of shoes, and also a pair of uniform for the child's graduation. So how is it now that you're calling me saying that the child didn't graduate and the mother cannot be found? I don't get it. Another family member called and said that, was asking, did you send money to this individual? Because it seemed as if the individual took the money and disappeared. If you sent money to the child's mother, the moment she got the money, she disappeared. But then my wife said, well, I was talking to her over and over leading up to the child's graduation. The family member said yes, but she wasn't at home with the child. She don't know what's going on. You send the money and give her. We haven't seen her for a couple of days, so probably while we were talking with her, she was somewhere else, but we haven't been seeing her, so we don't know. But the money that you sent, the child didn't get it. She didn't purchase a shoe, she didn't pay for the graduation, and she didn't purchase a uniform. So my wife is saying, how could that be? Because she called me crying, say, oh, she need help and this and that and rare. And I sent her the money. They say, well, the child didn't graduate. Now my wife is saying, how could this lady call me, asking me for help, send the money, and she took the money and used it on herself? Guys, Now, these are the situations that cause a lot of people to withdraw their hands from individuals. Say, okay, so you want some of the money, go buy a cheap pair of shoes or go see if you can shop around to get the uniform cheaper to see if you can save back a little money. But don't spend all the money on yourself, man. No, the child didn't graduate. The young man didn't graduate from school, guys. Didn't graduate from school. Didn't get a chance to graduate from school because of this wicked mother, man. Wicked. How can you be a mother asking for help for your own child and then you're going to get the money and use it on yourself? Wicked, man. Wicked individual, man. Wicked. Wicked. You using your son, exploiting your son at your own benefit. How can you exploit your children for your own benefit, man? And I hope that individual see this video. You're wicked, man. You're wicked. You use your own kid, exploiting your child, exploiting your children at your own benefit. You're wicked, man. How could you do that? You call my wife, asking my wife that you need help, and my wife send you the money, and you use the money to party. Took the money and went to party with our man, and knowing that the money that was sent, it was supposed to help our son. She took the money and go party with our man, disappear and gone party, and our own son, our own child not get to graduate. Wicked, man. Wicked. And I hope she see this video. I hope she see this video. Wicked. You're a wicked individual. You are such a wicked individual. Wicked individual. Wicked individual. That's what you are. Very scrupulous. You see it? Now my wife is saying, you know, how could such things happen, and feeling so upset that this individual use her like that, man. Your own people, your own Jamaican people, man. Time when they realize that you have a good heart and that you're willing to help, some of them, they just manipulators, man. Your own Jamaican people. Your own Jamaican people. They will see you have a good heart, and when they realize that you're willing to help them, help their family, they try all means and ways to be manipulative and genials. Like come on, man. How could you do something like that? Crazy, guys. Unbelievable. When my wife told me about the situation, the mom didn't pay the graduation fee, and she didn't buy the pair of shoe, and she didn't buy the uniform. I said, you're joking, right? She said, no. I said, oh my God. Guys, it is crazy. If you are begging money, don't exploit your children to get money from people. If you're begging, just beg money. Don't exploit your kids to increase the possibility or increase the chance of you getting money from the person or person that you're trying to swindle it. Have little spine, man. Little dignity. Have dignity. Have some dignity in your soul, man. If you're trying to exploit people, just build a backbone and just come out and say, yo, I'm begging you some money, Ray. But don't use your kids, man. You have no integrity when you're using your children to exploit people, man. You took the money and went to party and enjoy yourself, and your child didn't even get the chance to graduate. How do you live with yourself? How do you live with yourself knowing that you exploit your child to better your odds of swindling money from somebody? You're a disgraceful swindler. That's what you are. How can you do that? How can you live with yourself knowing that you use your kid to swindle money from somebody? Oh my God, man. Some of them, they are so slick and sly. They are so convincing that You can't even tell the real ones from the fake ones. And because of that, a lot of people don't want to take the chance to help some people, man, because of individuals like this. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Couldn't believe it. Your own child supposed to graduate, and you get the money for your child to graduate from school, to buy the shoes and to buy the uniform and to pay the graduation fee, and you don't do none of them. I saw you wicked. I saw you wicked, man. Oh my goodness. I hope you can live with yourself with what you did, man. I hope that when you get up every day and look at your child and know that your child did not graduate from school, that you are the one that caused. Nobody else. You are the one that did it. You are the one that did it. I hope you can live with yourself with that. Yeah. I hope you can live with yourself with what you did. It's not good, man. It doesn't paint a good image. It doesn't paint a good picture. And I can only imagine how many individuals you did that to. Yeah, I can only imagine how many individuals you call with your son on the phone begging money, and when you get the money, you don't use it to do what you say that you are asking the money for. I can only imagine. Swindlers, man. Swindlers. Yeah, swindlers, guys. Now, things like this don't make you want to help nobody. You know? Don't make you want to help nobody because of how they are, guys. You own Jamaican people. You own Jamaican people. They swindle you like this. They use their kids. They use their exploiting their kids, exploiting their children to increase their odds of swindling your hard-earned money. But guys, just be vigilant, man. There's a lot of them out there where, I don't know, man. I don't know how do they even live with their self. I don't know. I don't know how do they live with their self to know that this is what they're doing. Yeah. But anyway, guys, just be mindful, man. And I know everybody call, you want to say this and say this. If you jump up and just fork out your money and give to them. You know, sometimes you have to tell some of them no too, man. Even when they're using their kids, just be vigilant in the thing, because some people out there, they have no form of decency inside of them, man. It's all about themselves and how much they can get for you, and they will use any tools necessary, use any tools in their disposal to take what is yours. And they don't care as long as they get what they want. All right? So bless up yourself, guys. Have yourself a tremendous one. Peace and love, blessing and prosperity. And I hope that the mother see this video. I hope you can live with yourself. Yeah, I really hope you can live with that cheap, wicked hack that you did onto your own child. Yeah. God bless. Have a good one.